Chongqing Xiyuanhui Optoelectronic Technology Company Limited has 17 years experience of underwater lights research, development and production, is a professional research, development, production and sales of LED underwater lights, underground lights, landscape lights technical enterprise. Won over 130 national patents. The company passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, Product certification, CB certification, BIS certification, CE, RoHS certification, UL certification, IP68, IP69K protection grade certification. Production site of about 6,000 square meters, annual production capacity of 600,000 sets of LED underwater lights and outdoor landscape lighting lights, independent product technology, R&D center and experienced technical development team. Have perfect LED lighting products automation production line and strict production process management to ensure the quality of each product. Have a professional marketing team to ensure the promotion and service of the Chinese and global markets, always adhere to the market demand as its own responsibility, technology adhere to the lead, management as the basis, quality as the goal, development and production of professional LED underwater lights, pool lights, landscape lights, and other series of quality products. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.